Hello, this video is walking you through how to make your estimated tax payments using the IRS website, irs.gov/payments, which you can see up here in the address bar. So you would go to irs.gov/payments and then choose this button that says Pay Now with Direct Pay. From here, you want to say Make a Payment. Then from here, reason for payment, you want to choose estimated tax. This is confirming that you're applying your payments to your 1040 ES, which are your estimated tax vouchers, and then the period for the payment. So this is just a reminder, this would be for the year that follows the tax return. So if you filed your previous tax return, so if you saw me in March of 2024, I would have been filing your 2023 tax return. We would be in the year 2024. So estimated tax payments are made for the calendar year that you're in. So you would be making, in this example, 2024. So this would be for the current year. So you pick 2024, hit continue, continue again, and then again, you're going to need to verify your identity with the Internal Revenue Service. So you're going to need to pull out or look at one of your filed tax returns and grab the information directly as it was filed with your tax return, not your current information. So for instance, if you've moved, you need to refer back to how the tax return was filed during that year. So you would pick the year that you're looking at. So let's assume you were using 2018. If you were using 2018 tax return, you would fill out all of this information below based on how it was shown on your 2018 tax return. So what was your filing status in 2018? What was your first name, last name on your tax return? Your social security number, your date of birth, those won't change. What was your street address on the 2018 tax return? Again, if you choose a different year, you would follow the same instructions based on the tax return filed for that year. You then hit accept the privacy policy, hit continue, and then you would enter your banking information, the bank name, the bank routing number, and your bank account number in order to complete the process to make your estimated tax payments using irs.gov. Don't forget, estimated tax payments need to go in 4 times a year. They have special due dates. They're all listed on the voucher of that of the S1040 ES, or it's also listed on the front page instruction letter of your tax return spelling out the year. I believe you can also go in and set those payments, those estimated tax payments. You could go in once and set it for the rest of the year also. So just some information for y'all. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful.